Yeah, so PBMs were started with very virtuous intentions to ultimately try and get prescription drug pricing under control, make sure that spending was appropriate. And ultimately, insurers and PBMs represent a very necessary friction against another side of the drug supply chain, whether it's pharmacies, drug companies, wholesalers, who ultimately would like nothing more than to charge whatever they could for their drugs. And so your insurer and your PBM step in to say, look, we're not going to pay that much. We're going to pay an equilibrium point. And that's a good thing. It's a good function that they provide. That friction I think, is a healthy thing in the system, although it does create a lot of headaches for providers, understandably. But ultimately, your PBM has morphed into a much larger entity than just a pharmacy benefits manager. They own their own mail order pharmacies. They own their own retail pharmacies, their own specialty pharmacies. Now they are part of the insurance company. They have their own relationships with wholesalers as well. So these companies are not just one little job where it's managing prescription benefits. Now they're actually on the other side of the transaction. So before, they represented the friction on the other side of the supply chain. Well, now they're also a participant in the other side of the supply chain. Because of that, it's created a conflict of interest. And so they're controlling prices in a marketplace that they now participate in. That should be a red flag for anybody, that they're getting to set their own prices and the prices for their competitors. They have a competing interest in the pharmacy marketplace, and they have the ability, largely unfettered ability, to pick winners and losers in that pharmacy marketplace. And it should come as no surprise, they're winning.